Hi everyone, welcome to the class of 2 and 3 mark important problems of integration. So welcome you all to this beautiful session for solving 2 and 3 mark problems. In this session I am going to take 2 and 3 mark important problems from integration chapter. So you can go through the problems, you can solve them. If you have any doubts, you can put the comment box. Sorry, you can put them into the comment box and you can ask the questions. So now I will go on solving the problems one by one. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comment box. Okay. So students, here you can just see question number 28 and question number 29 in your question paper will be of 2 mark problems. So question number 28 and question number 29, 2 mark problems of integration. So most of the time 99% question number 28 and question number 29 it will be of 2 mark problems of the chapter integration. Please remember it. Okay, so now let us go for 28 solution. So in this question number 28 solution you can just see they are asking to solve you integration from 0 to pi where you have to solve sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 with respect to x. So here this is very simple problem. Here you have to remember the formula of cos 2x, that is cos square x minus sin square x. So if you remember this formula, then it will be very easy to simplify this particular question. Okay, so for that you just take this formula in the side here, that is cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So for this you can just say cos x will be equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So to convert this to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, take minus in common, it will be minus of 0 to pi cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 with respect to dx. So from this minus of, you can use this formula, that will be cos x. So now integration of cos x is very simple, known to everyone, that is sin x. So outside you have minus sign, so that will be minus sin x from 0 to pi. Therefore minus of sin pi minus sin 0 will be 0, because we all know that sin pi is 0, sin 0 is 0, therefore our answer will be 0. So these are the some important formulas that you have to remember to solve problem number 28. Now I will go for problem number 29. So in this problem number 29, you just see you have to solve e to the power of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to dx. So here you can just put tan inverse x is equal to t. So that if you differentiate this, this will be 1 by 1 plus x square with respect to dx equal to dt. So that from the substitution method we can write integration of it as integration of e to the power of t divided by e to the power of t into dt. So we can write this as e to the power of t into dt. So we all know integration of e to the power of t is e to the power of t plus c. So here we can write t as it is again, that is e to the power of tan inverse x plus c. So very simple problems, but you have to be very careful while solving. Where you have to use trigonometric formulas, where we have to use substitution method, that you have to practice more and more. Clear? Okay. Now we can go for problem number, that is 41 and 42. That means these are the problems from your model question papers. So problem number 41 and 42 will be for 3-mark important problems. So these are going to be 3-mark important problems that will be in part C. Okay. So that I am going to solve now. You can see the solution of problem number 41, that is integration of x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube e power x with respect to dx. So now we can just see that integration of x minus 3 can be written as x minus 1 minus 2 e power x divided by x minus 1 whole cube with respect to dx. So you may go through one particular doubt, that is, sir, how you can remember this minus 3 as minus 1 and minus 2. My dear students, the only way of practicing this integration problem is you have to solve number of problems, so that you can go through all the techniques of the integration, and you just, whenever you see this type of problem, you will understand that. So this term has to be adjusted and we have to simplify this. And remember, this is the from integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x with respect to dx, that is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. So this is the formula that I am going to use here. Now that will be integration of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube with respect to e raised to x into dx. So cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1. That will be integration of 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube e raised to x. So now check this formula. 1 by x minus 1 whole square will be your f of x. The differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 whole square will be 2 times of x minus 1 whole cube. Clear? So easily from this particular formula I can write here e raised to x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c. So if you get any confusions in your exam, whenever you are solving this particular problem, please remember this very important formula, and you have to just write by the side of this problem of this formula, so then you can go on solving. Okay. So now I will go for problem number 42, and this particular formula you have to remember for problem number 41. Now you can go for problem number 42, that is integration of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to dx. So my dear students, here you can go with partial fractions, no problem. But I will solve it with some easy method by adjusting the terms, that is x plus 2, x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to dx. I will adjust minus sign here. So these are the some shortcut techniques that we use in the solving of integrations, and these particular types of techniques only comes to you when you practice so many number of problems. Okay. So I adjust this terms x plus 2 minus x plus 1. So you just see plus x minus x will get cancelled here. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So that you can write with this. So now you can write it as x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to dx minus integration of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to dx. X plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 1 will get cancelled. This will be equal to 1 by x plus 1, that is log of mod x plus 1 minus log of mod x plus 2 plus c. So this is log of mod x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. So like this also you can solve. Okay. So I will go for problem number 28, that is integration of sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to dx. So here you can just see, I can write it as sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to dx. Sin square will get cancelled. Cos square will get cancelled. 1 by cos square will be sec square x minus 1 by sin square will be cosec square x dx. So here we know that integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of cosecant square x is cot x minus cot x. So we can write minus into minus plus cot x plus c. Okay. So from this you can understand this is also very simple problem, that is problem number 28. Now we can go for problem number 29, that is integration from 0 to 1 dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. So already we know that is integration of dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse x. Limits are from 0 to 1. So here you can just see sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. So everyone knows that sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. So your answer is going to be pi by 2. Okay. So this is also a very simple problem. Easily you can simplify this. Okay. Now we can go for again problem number 41 and problem number 42. That is of 3 mark problems. So here you can just see problem number 41, that is integration of x log x with respect to dx. So here you have to go for Eilert method. I means inverse trigonometric function, L means log function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function. This you have to remember. So you can just see x is algebraic, L is log. So log comes first, algebraic comes next. So first function is log and second function is algebraic. So with that you can just simplify this particular problem. Okay. So now I will write first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration of. So here what you are going to write is, that is the integration of x. So easily you can write what is integration of x. What is integration of x? X square by 2. Clear? Then we will multiply this by differentiation of our first function, that is log x with respect to dx. Okay. So Eilert method all of you know, that is first function you have to write as it is, second function you have to integrate minus integration of, whenever you are writing function with the integration of this particular term, you have to remember formula very correctly, that the term which you integrate here, you have to write first, multiplied with the differentiation of first function. So that will be log x multiplied with integration of x is x square by 2 minus, so here you can just see x square by 2, differentiation of log x is 1 by x with respect to dx. So now that is log x multiplied with x square by 2, cancel x and x, minus this is x by 2 with respect to dx. So now log x into x square by 2 minus x by 2, take 1 by 2 constant as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Clear? So this is your answer. So that is log x into x square by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. That will be your final answer. Okay. So therefore answer for this is integration of, okay, answer for this is log x into x square by 4 log x into x square by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. Problem number 42. That is integration of 2x divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 3 with respect to dx. That is, so here you can just see we can put x square term as t, so that 2x dx will be dt. So from this we can write 2x dx as dt divided by t plus 1 t plus 2. So this already we have simplified in the previous problem. You can adjust the terms as t plus 2 minus t plus 1 divided by t plus 2 into t plus 1 with respect to dt. So here you can cancel t plus 2 so that the first term will be dt divided by t plus 1 minus t plus 1 t plus 1 you can cancel, that will be dt divided by t plus 2. Okay. So now answer is going to be very simple, that is log of mod t plus 1 divided by mod t plus 2 plus c. This will be log of mod t plus 1. This will be minus log of mod t plus 2. So log a minus log b, that is log a by b. And you can just see that the answer will be log of mod x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 plus c. This will be the answer for problem number 42. Okay. So in the next class or in the next video, I will go with these two and these two problems. I think now I have solved some two model question papers, and from that if you have any doubts you can put in the comment box. If you have no doubts, no problem, like the video, also subscribe the channel for the further video notifications. Okay, so solve all the problems very understandingly, and take all the techniques and all the tricks from these videos and note down them in your notes, so that you can use in the further exams.